Welcome to Box Cutter Breakdown. Today I'll be reviewing this Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1 folding utility knife. The knife weighs 4.8 ounces and it costs $19.97 plus tax at Home Depot. The knife opens by pressing this button and flicking the knife open, and it closes in a similar fashion. The action of opening the knife is very smooth and extremely stable, and this appears to be achieved with a pair of phosphor bronze washers. Nice touch, Milwaukee. The screwdriver has a detent at 90 degrees, which is cool for going like this, and it also has a liner lock, a left-handed liner lock. I don't see any reason for this liner lock to be left-handed unless they're trying to be friendlier to left-handed people instead of ostracizing them from society. Wear your safety glasses when you are using this utility knife. And this appears to be an illustration of a bottle. And I think that's a razor blade. Maybe that indicates... Oh, look at that. Maybe try to put a razor blade in there. Oh my. Well, isn't that clever? Huh. How about that? There you have it. The Milwaukee Fastback 6-in-1 folding utility knife. Bye-bye.